I think my other question to you is, hindi po ba dapat that there is a higher standard towards a government official like the former president and the sitting vice president towards the accountability and transparency issue? Kasi ang usapan po dito, hindi naman yung the Sara Duterte as a private individual eh. We're talking about the Sara Duterte who is an elected official. Would you consider the fact that they are on a higher standards, not just a private citizen?
Sara, that
Mhm. Kumbaga parang punto nyo is there's no perfect person na pwede umupo.
yes, bigla tubig ng
Ayan.
ating
Pe-
alalay.
pero Bambi Susan, ano, I think there there's a lot of like probably insights na narinig ko personally na kasi dito po sa channel ko kalimitan yung mga guest po na i-invite ko na usually dumarating sa channel natin, they're prone to leaning towards the government or PBBM.